Good day, everyone. I am Laika May Basbalan, and this video is my insight and reflection on the topic of climate change. Climate change is often presented as a scientific topic, but through this lesson, I realized that it is also a human and moral issue. Climate change refers to long-term changes in global weather patterns, especially the increase in Earth's average temperature caused by greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. One fact that really stood out to me is how fast climate change is happening today. Scientific evidence from ice cores shows that for thousands of years, atmospheric carbon dioxide naturally cycled between 180 to 300 parts per million. However, since the Industrial Revolution, carbon dioxide levels have risen beyond this natural range in just a few centuries due to human activities, just like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrializations. This made me realize that modern climate change is not purely natural. It's not purely natural, it is largely caused by human actions. I was also impacted by the present effects of climate change that are already visible today, just like glaciers are rapidly melting, polar ice sheets are shrinking, and sea levels are rising faster than before. These changes threaten ecosystems, coastal communities, and even access to water and food. Climate change is not something we will face someday. It is something that we are already living with. So, another important realization for me is how climate change disrupts ecosystems. Changes in temperature affect plant growth, flowering schedules, and the balance between plants and their pollinators. When these natural cycles are disturbed, the entire ecosystems are affected. This made me realize how interconnected life on Earth is and how fragile this balance can be. Reflecting on these facts, I learned that climate change is not only the responsibility of scientists and governments. While large scale solutions are necessary, individual actions and individual actions still matter. Our daily choices, just like how we use or how we consume energy, manage waste, and treat the environment, it contributes to the problem or to its solution. In the end, this topic reminded me that science and technology should always be guided by responsibility. Progress should never come at the cost of the planet. As members of this generation, we are not just studying climate change, we are part of it, and we are accountable for the future we create.